So, what's really happening when you take a cash offer on your house? Well, you're not just selling your home, you're selling the problem that comes with it. Or flip it the other way, the buyer is buying your problem. That could be repairs, a hoarder situation, smoke damage, fire damage, or just stress of inheriting a house you don't want to deal with. Whatever it is, you're handing it off, and that might sound like a relief. But here's the part most people don't think about. When you take a cash offer, you're not just handing over the house, you're handing over tens of thousands of dollars in potential equity too. Most of the time, these buyers aren't actually buying the home. They're flipping the contract, the exact same condition, and keeping the profit in the middle. They don't fix anything, they don't make anything better, they just resell the problem and you lose the equity. And let's talk about that number they give you. 150, 200,000, whatever the offer is, it's not real until the deal closes. It's just like something you see on eBay listed for $5,000. It doesn't mean it's worth that much, it just means somebody's trying to sell it for that. And with cash offer companies, that doesn't mean it's worth that much, it just means that someone's trying to sell it for that. And with cash offer companies, they'll often beat you up on price along the way. We found issues, we need to lower the offer. Bit by bit, you end up taking a lot less than you thought. At Kansas City Legacy Properties, we do things differently. We help you deal with the problem instead of dumping it. We have clean out crews, repair contacts, and resources to make it easier. And we show you just how much more you can walk away with when you take those extra steps. And if you really don't want to deal with it, we'll give you a cash offer, but we'll put it side by side with what you'd earn if you listed your home so you can make a fully informed decision with no pressure. That's what we do. We help people make the most of what they have and protect the equity they built or inherited. So if you're thinking about taking a cash offer, grab our free guide, The 7 Red Flags You're Dealing with the Wholesaler, and click the link to schedule a no pressure call. Let's talk about what's best for you.